Okay, so starting with the next topic, that is page replacement algorithm. Okay, in the previous video we have seen about the page replacement concept, why there is a requirement of replacing the current page. Okay, if there is a requirement of any page which is there in the disk usage, okay, in the disk space, then we need to bring that particular page from disk space to the main memory in order to execute the process. Okay, so for that reason we need to replace the page. Okay, and the second question which was arises in the previous video was which page from which page we have to replace the required or the demanded page. So that is the big question, and for that we have to refer the different types of algorithm, that is page replacement algorithm. Okay, so page replacement algorithm basically are the technique using which operating system OS decides which memory page to swap out, which memory page to swap out. Okay, so which memory page to swap out we have to decide from this algorithm by means of an operating system. Okay, and write to test when the page of the memory needs to be allocated. When the page that was selected for replacement and was paged out is referenced again, then it has to read in from the disk, and this is required for IO completion. Okay, so this process determines the quality of the page replacement algorithm. Okay, the page the quality of the page replacement algorithm can be easily determined from the page fault. Okay, so more number of page fault, then the quality is not so good. If the less number of page fault, then the quality of the page replacement algorithm is very good. Okay, so one more thing is there in page replacement algorithm we have to keep in mind, that is the reference string. Okay, reference string. What is reference string? This is the string of the memory references. Okay, so this is the string of memory references. Memory references is called reference string. Okay, reference strings are generated artificially or by tracing a given system and recording the address of each memory reference. Okay, so memory reference string are generated artificially, we can say artificially or by tracing a given system and recording the addresses of each memory reference. Okay, so this is the reference string will be given to us, and with the help of that reference string we have to find the quality of the algorithm. Okay, one more thing is there, the page frame. Okay, okay, one thing we have already done, but we still will see the page fault. What is the page fault? The page fault we have seen in the previous video is that it is said to occur when the requested page is not in the main memory. It is said to occur when requested page is not in main memory. Okay, so at that time the page fault will occur. Okay, and the last one is the page frame. So page frame will be fixed. Okay, maybe 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the page frame will indicate that number of pages number of pages will be there at a time in main memory. Okay, so example, so this is the main memory. Okay, so we have divided into 3. So page frame equals to 3. Why page frame equals to 3? Because we have only 3 frame. Okay, if we want to bring any other page from the disk usage or from the disk page, we want to bring another page, then we need to swap out one page from this main memory and then bring that particular requested page into the main memory. Okay, so these 3 things you need to consider or you need to remember while doing the page replacement algorithm. Okay, so in the next video we will start with the first in first out algorithm. Okay, thank you so much.